Okay, so as a new user, I came to proviewlist.com. I just want to give feedback. One of the company TCS. I'll just search if this company exists. Okay, yeah, it's there. TCS. I created a software for this TCS company. Uh, I just want to give the feedback. Okay, so I'm new and I did not register or signed in, so it's asking me to log in. Okay, I'll click on that. Because I'm new, I just register as a new user. Okay, what the fine company name. Okay, business license number. Okay, fine. City, it's Delhi. New Delhi is the state. Okay, zip code. Okay, fine. Business website. Okay, okay, email ID, password. Okay, it will ask some strong password because of security. So as you can see, it's showing me this. Okay, this one is strong. And by clicking on sign up button below, I will agree, accept and terms and conditions. Okay, I'll sign up now. So after sign up, okay, so I have an option to review. On the same time, if I go to my dashboard, then it will ask me to verify. Okay, so I'll go to my account. I'll see if I have got some. Okay, yeah, I have got, yes. Okay, please verify your email address. After signing up, okay, 999686. Okay, fine. 9686. Okay, it is okay. 9686. Okay, I'll verify. Yeah, it's verified now. So email address is verified. Okay, fine. And at the same time, as a admin can see the user list, and admin can see, yeah, it's a user, all users, yeah. So admin bill can see, here is the user I just created, yeah, this one. So in edit I can see the details of the user. Here is the details, full name, website URL, okay, nickname, company name and legal name, okay, email ID, state zip. If it seems all fine, then no issue. Otherwise, we have an option to delete this type of users. Like if I think it's a spam user, then we can just click. We can delete from here also, or we can have options for multiple deletion, like delete. Okay, so I'm not going to delete. I just check if user is verified. Okay, yeah. So here, welcome to preview list. Account is created. That's fine. So my account is created. Now I can give the feedback. So here we go. Okay. So here I have an option to create the feedback. Okay, fine. Okay. How we do rate eventuality. Okay, that's good. I mean here the message overall my experience was okay. Submit review. Now after submit the review, your review has been submitted, but on the same time it will ask your comment is waiting for moderation, means after admin approval only it will show the review here. Let's go to the admin. Okay, so in admin side, here's the comments. I'll check. Comments are there. Okay. Overall experience was okay. Quick cat is there. What is the information? Okay, I'll just edit and see the whole comments. After that, I'll approve. So here is the name and then email ID. Fine. Okay, and here is the rating. And here is the comments. I think it is fine, so I'll just approve. I'll approve the comments, and after approval comments as the admin, you will see here it will start showing. Okay, fine, great. It is showing the comments after admin approval. On the same time, if I want to give the feedback of another company which does not exist here, like Ramsam, not related company I found, so I'll just add your client review or somewhere add your client review. I just want to add the company. Okay, it's a consulting company, so I'll just Ramson. Okay, city it is in Delhi. New Delhi is a state. Fine. It's a consulting company in Delhi. Okay, fine. I'll just read accept terms and condition. Here is the terms of use or terms and condition. I can just read. After read, I can accept and submit the listing. So I just created a company and your listing will be visible once approved. Okay, fine. So okay, I'll just see. I'll see if it is somewhere. Yeah, it's there. It's pending. I'll check it out if it seems fine, so I can just approve. Here is the way to approve. After once approved, the user will get some mail. Is it? No, it's approved. Yeah, your listing license has been approved. Yes, so it's approved now. So user can see the listing. Okay, this one is approved and now it's ready to give the feedback. And same time it will come in search. Yeah, it is there. Yeah. So this way we can just share the feedback. We can register. We can add the company. Admin can approve. So this all how it works. Okay, fine, great.